How to pay someone on Venmo using a QR code. If you want to scan a QR code of a certain person and then you want to send money to them, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, as always, go ahead and then make sure to launch the Venmo application and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you've made sure of that, you can see the scan icon from the top right. But before that, you can always come in the search bar. You can search for a certain person, or you can also see scan or show QR code, or you can also tap on the scan QR code icon from the top right hand side. Either way, once you've done that, just place the QR code in front of you, and here you can see Venmo Me, scan code, or show to pay. Whatever else it is that you want to prefer, you can select an option, and once done, you will be able to scan the QR code and similarly send, request, or whatever else you want with the money. This way you will be able to go ahead and then pay someone using a QR code on Venmo. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.